Choosing the right windows for your home in Bel Air is a crucial decision, and the local weather plays a significant role in determining the best options. With seasonal temperature fluctuations, occasional heavy storms, and varying humidity levels, selecting the right window materials, styles, and features can help enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. Understanding how Bel Air's climate impacts your window replacement choices ensures that your home remains well protected and energy efficient year-round. The impact of Bel Air's climate on windows. Bel Air experiences a mix of weather conditions throughout the year. Summers can be warm and humid, while winters bring cold temperatures and occasional snow. The area is also prone to thunderstorms and heavy rain, making window performance a key factor in maintaining home comfort and protection. Energy efficiency for seasonal temperature changes is one of the main considerations for window replacement in Bel Air is energy efficiency. With both hot summers and cold winters, homeowners need windows that provide effective insulation to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduce energy costs. Double or triple pane glass. These windows offer enhanced insulation, keeping heat out during summer and retaining warmth in winter. Low E coatings. Low emissivity, low E glass helps reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing energy loss in both hot and cold conditions. Gas-filled windows. Argon or krypton gas-filled windows provide additional insulation and prevent heat transfer. Weather resistance against heavy rain and storms. Bel Air can experience strong storms, particularly during spring and summer. Choosing windows that can withstand heavy rain and wind is essential to protect your home from water damage and drafts. Impact-resistant glass. This option is ideal for homes that need added protection against storms, reducing the risk of shattering. Weather stripping and seals. Proper sealing ensures that windows prevent leaks and drafts, keeping moisture out. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. These materials are highly resistant to moisture damage, preventing warping and rotting over time. Humidity control and moisture resistance. Bel Air's humidity levels can fluctuate, particularly in the warmer months. Excess moisture in the air can lead to condensation buildup on windows, which may cause mold growth and structural damage over time. Condensation-resistant glass. Choosing windows with a warm edge spacer system can help reduce condensation buildup. Proper ventilation. Casement or awning windows allow for better airflow, reducing indoor humidity levels. Durable frame materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are resistant to moisture and do not expand or contract significantly with temperature changes. UV protection for long-term home preservation. Bel Air's sunny days can be enjoyable, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, and decor to fade over time. Installing windows with UV protection helps mitigate these effects. UV blocking coatings. Low E coatings or laminated glass can block a significant percentage of harmful UV rays. Tinted windows. Lightly tinted glass can reduce glare and heat while still allowing natural light to enter. Dual pane windows. The added insulation helps control indoor temperature while reducing the impact of UV rays. Best window styles for Bel Air home. Selecting the right window style can improve both function and aesthetics while accounting for Bel Air's weather conditions. Double-hung windows. A classic choice that allows for top and bottom ventilation while maintaining energy efficiency. Casement windows. These windows seal tightly when closed, making them ideal for insulation and storm protection. Sliding windows. A space-saving option that provides excellent ventilation and easy operation. Bay and bow windows. These styles add aesthetic appeal while maximizing natural light and airflow. Final thoughts. When replacing windows in Bel Air, considering the local climate is essential to selecting the best materials and features for long-term performance. Investing in energy-efficient, weather-resistant, and durable windows ensures comfort, lowers energy bills, and protects your home from the elements. Working with a professional window installer can help you navigate the various options available and choose windows that enhance your home's efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking for better insulation, storm protection, or UV resistance, the right windows will ensure your Bel Air home remains stylish, comfortable, and resilient in all seasons.